Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to do the drawing and coloring combined of the sunflower garden. So in the last video we already did the drawing, but I'm doing the drawing again for those of you who did not see it. And here we are making the sunflowers in different orientations and in different stages, like one of them is a bud. Also, if you're enjoying the drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now before we color, we're going to erase it slightly, because if we erase it and then color, the pencil lines won't be that visible and it's going to look better. And for the coloring, I'm using oil pastels, brush pens, and a little bit of color pencils. I'll start with a light yellow and then do a slight bit of shading with my yellow oil pastels. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of orange near the center of the flower, like a little bit on each petal, as you can see here, and a darker orange to make the orange more visible, and some between the petals, which are in the front and at the back, and also at the tips. Now we're going to do the center with a pastel brown, then a lighter shade of brown, and then a little bit of maroon. So we're doing a little bit of shading with maroon, and like at the sides we're doing maroon, and then we are shading it with a brown, and then with our brown color pencil. After that, we have done the center maroon and a little bit of dots around it, and between the petals on the first and second layer, we're doing a little bit of maroon to make it more highlighted. And I'm making the orange more visible. Then the stem, we'll start by doing a lighter shade of green, and then we'll do a little bit of shading with a darker shade of green, like using different shades like leaf green, olive green, light green, and dark green. And also we're gonna make it a little bit darker at the center, and a little bit of shading of orange. Now I'm highlighting the top and bottom with a darker shade, and also the veins, and a little bit of center, as you can see here. And I'll meet you when I'm done with all of them. Now after that, I've also made grass, so I'm doing a lighter shade of green first, and then a darker shade at the top and the bottom. And then a light green to shade it and merge the colors together nicely. And an olive green to make it look. And you're gonna do a little bit of green in the background, and at the top we'll do a light blue. And at the very top we'll do a darker blue to do a shading. now as you can see here, we are making everything a little bit darker, and we are merging at the points two colors meet like this. And then I'm putting a layer of light blue around the flower so that they don't look, to cover any blue that has come on the sunflowers. Then we're gonna color the butterflies with the red, yellow, and orange. And after that, we are going to do the sky a light blue and shade all of that with a Q-tip. And our drawing is done. Bye.